Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I share many different modern open kitchen design ideas. I so many different style ideas. You can see very beautiful and wonderful ideas. Kitchen color scheme, kitchen paint color, kitchen ceiling design, and kitchen tops and counter, and kitchen tiles on floor and wall, and kitchen cabinet designs. So many different ideas and good color schemes. White color, black color, and black and gray color, and brown white color. And this video show many different ideas for kitchen design ideas. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and write the comment in box. And this kitchen show many different style and different style chairs and different countertop and back the wall and kitchen